What's up, y'all? It's your girl Janice Monaee and I'm back for another video. And in today's video I'll be doing a hair review featuring Asteria's hair. Now they went ahead and sent me over their Water Wave 13x4 HD lace wig in 22 inches, and this is how the hair looks. Now I went ahead and dyed the hair burgundy, so I'm just showing you guys how the hair looked before I dyed it burgundy. Also, they went ahead and sent me a wig cap, lashes, melt band, and baby hair brush that I will be using all in this video. So yeah, let's get straight into this video. Now I'm probably not going to be talking throughout the whole entire video, so I'm just talking in the beginning, but yeah, y'all could see me doing my ball cap method. It's pretty self-explanatory. So this is how the hair looks. I dyed it burgundy, okay? But this is like my second time trying burgundy. The first time I tried burgundy, I ain't really like it, although it kind of still look cute, but I never really like worn it out. Like I always had a scarf to my head. So yeah, this is my second attempt trying burgundy. Hopefully it looks good. I'm pretty sure it's gonna look good at the end. Y'all gonna see the results at the end. But yeah, y'all, I'm just applying the glue. I'm actually gonna use 3 layers of this glue, and if you guys are wanting the glue that I'm using, I am using the Erica J glue. Make sure y'all tune in because her stuff really works, and it's supposedly waterproof, so tune into her, okay? So right here I'm also filming a TikTok video, so if you are following me there, you already know that I uploaded this video there. Just a quick simple 30-second video, but you know, right here I'm just showing you guys a more like longer version of the TikTok. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so let's just get into this review about this hair. Now I give this hair a 10 out of 10 only because the lace was great. The hair felt super soft, and not only did the hair feel super soft, but for 22 inches this is pretty long, and y'all gonna see in a minute after I'll show you guys like all around the hair. But this hair is really long for 22 inches, so I'm not questioning anything if they wanna, you know. But overall I love this hair. This hair was super cute. I did wear this hair for about, I believe, 4 or 5 days, so, and it did work out for me like within the time frame, so I'm actually satisfied with the hair. And also the hair is 180 density, so it is really thick. Not really thick, but it's thick, okay? Y'all can see right here how thick it is with the hair all poofy and whatnot. So yeah, y'all, I was feeling myself, as I should. But yeah, y'all, I love this hair. I give this a 10 out of 10, so make sure you go ahead and shop up. The hair details will be all in the description box, so you guys don't have to worry. All the information about this hair will be there.
Period. What lace?
So y'all, towards the end the camera died on me, so I had to improvise, and I didn't film the ending until like 5 days later. So yeah, this will be the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed watching, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And you know, subscribe to the channel, y'all. Like, if y'all not subscribed right now, like, what are y'all doing? It only takes 2 seconds, so go ahead and smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to know every single time I post a video. And yeah, y'all, I'll see you guys in my next video.